people can know when somebody evil. Because that girl, all I ever done for that girl is good. I'm done with you. And anybody will know me. I know some of Gemini, the whole of my friend will know me and know me. No, some I'm done with you. I'm done with you. I don't want to have nothing to do with you. I'm not going to call your name in my mouth after today. I'm not call your name in my mouth after today. None at all. Can you click live for me? Because you want to click live long time. So I say when I come out of jail, I shoot me attack people. The picture with champagne pan. The picture with champagne pan IG too, no? All lies. I'm bag of lies. So I come from jail. When I come from jail, I said she wants to style up everybody and class everybody. And then when time she class and style everybody, she want to go back around and put it down. Like say you're not done talking to your mouth already. Oh, if you come around, if you mean me good, and you was a daughter, and you're a good daughter, you feel some kind of way, says I did one here. The same way I'm going to block you, because you never did pay your bills. The same way I'm going to block you from regular call, and you never did pay the coach bill. Because I mash up, I'm hungry. I'm going to have no money, I'm going to have nothing at all. But you left your almost $700 bill per me every month over a year. You was wicked. You was wicked. And think about it, people. Think about it. Think about it. And you feel mighty. But remember, girl, everybody is not idiot. Everybody's not idiots. Everybody are not idiots. Because you're sitting and you're running them out. And you think so you can trick everybody. You think so you can fool everybody. But I'm going to make the people them know say you're lied. So I'm going to come out of jail now. I'm going to get back my father. Because if I stay on your yard, my foot them tie. But if I stay on your yard, I'm going to help pay the rent initially. Until my friend say you're not paying the rent. If I'm not idiot, I'm not supposed to give you the money if you're not paying the rent. But did I give initially? I was giving it to you initially. And you call up my friend them name. I like say I must just sit down and my friend them never call the name. Come your name venomous and my friend them mouth. But you may love me, overlook everything, but I don't love you anymore. I don't love you anymore, girl, so you can't drag me. I'm not coming back, company you, come class and cuss you or argue with you or nothing at all. May I speak facts and may I give the people them the straight facts. You see, after I give her my $1,200 towards the rent, before the same month done, and I listen, I remember saying me just come from prison now. Remember say I shit it up on our internet and everything I make much millions. Remember I shit it up on her, something I remember saying this is the same girl. We got prison 3 times. 3 times she got prison. And when she got prison the 3 times, ask anybody man, everybody in Jamaica, my abar 3-9 months them abar straight. Call her mother, anything at all. So when you go try to come make me look like you're bigger fish for me, girl is not no bigger fish for me because remember at the end of the day, you know who I was and who I sit and can tell the people that say never ever do nothing for me. Since I came out, I've never got no money from you. When I go up on the road and also you do your thing up on the road, I know I hide them bad me, I know I hide them tall. You never. I will just come out of prison. I'm going to give you the $1,200. You never go up on the road and come back with that bag. I know say me your mother and say me your mother. I'm going to do 6 years in a prison. I'm going to do 6 years in a, she not bust it, but she put it on her story. She bust it on her story. I'm not going to say. I'm not going to say about me and her. For me, me is not the rest of girls them. Me is not the rest of girls them. Because listen, I come out of jail and I see you in a problem, in a money problem. So I come out of jail. So you couldn't never do nothing for me. Because I come out the very first day, I come out. Remember, say, when you have man, when me have man, I mind my man, you know. But I'm not forsake my friends them. I'm not forsake the people that are around me. I'm not style the people that are around me. Because I have a little change more than them. And because I have a house where them can come in and whatever. Me no walk and style people. Because I don't know when this cracker got struck. And see me about my toe there. See me about my toe there. I never plan to go to prison. I come out of prison and I come out and come see you in your money worries and in your money problem. And me as a good person with me clean up, I could have come out of jail and pretend like I don't have no money. Because remember I used to give you one whole heap of things. And I gave it to you willingly. Out of the pureness of my heart and everything. And you can't justify it any or you want to justify the fact remain when you was in prison 3 times I was there for you all the times. You send $150 come give me a prison, and people have to argue with you for sending come give me, so your heart never clean and your heart never pure towards me. Your heart never, I'ma still come out, I'ma come out, and you know, and everybody will know me, know say, me never ever home, so I'ma come out. All if I did, I forgot to Florida where my dad lived, because my dad filed for me, come America, my dad filed for me, because my dad loved me. From long time, my father loved me. Not because me I make no money, nah, no. When I make money, I look out for my mother, I'm look out for my father, I'm look out for my brother, my sisters, I'm look out for friends, I'm never style nobody. I come out and take the $1,200 and before the next month done. Cause remember when I come, I don't have no money, I'm gonna get the $1,200, I still go and call my father and tell daddy lie. Say daddy, I want money for do this, I want money for do that, whatever. And daddy say, all right, give me some time. I don't have no bleaching cream. Yeah, sell bleaching cream, I don't have no bleaching cream. I'm gonna call my father and borrow the money from my father and tell my father, say daddy, I'm gonna sell bleaching cream. I want to sell bleaching cream, daddy, I give back your money. I give back the money. I am gonna take my father money. I'm gonna drive. I don't remember. I think I'm Marsha Bima. If me not lie, I think I'm Marsha Bima. Can we go down a man and forget buy the cream? I'm gonna stock it up. I'm gonna make it get by the cream. And I sell the cream and the agreement was you sell one cream for $60. I'm supposed to get 30. You sell one soap for $30. I'm supposed to get 15. And you sell off every blood clot. And you never give me $1. You never give me $1, not 1 cent. You say you cannot style me no day, no time. You cannot cross me, none talk. I remember saying me come out to help you. And me come out to help you when it should have been the other way around. For sure, I'm a pure to you and I'm a real to you. I'm going to keep it 100 to you. I could have money and hide it from you. I could have money and hide it from you, girl. I could have money and hide it from you. And you take my money, I take my father money, I borrow my father money, and you take my father money. I be a truth, I talk to people, I not pretend no lie. I'm not bring nobody, I'm not drag nobody. But you see, like, oh, when I try to paint me, like Zah fuck me, and like me do with Zah, and whatever, when you know your blood clot heart, so I don't do with Zah. You just look at argument. Or you make the internet years before them even know you when you live on the road. When you grab phone and everything, when you grab the phone and them lock you up, I come bail you up, I come do everything for you. Everything you can call upon me and you sure me. And when I did not do, I couldn't blood clot call upon you because you forsake me. You forsake me. I'm going to come out and the love of me have for you was so strong. Then I'm going to come in a jail say me, I'm still love you. Because I never give you nothing to put down. When I tell you call somebody, I inquire about you, I remember, tell them the truth. So I write you a letter. I write you a letter, tell them the truth, so I write you a letter. And I want to write the letter, you still never look for me. You still never look for me. Because you don't want me to kiss your ass, and you don't want me to call you and I beg you. I'm going to never call you and beg you. I'm going to never kiss your ass. I'm going to never feel like I have to kiss you. I never feel like I'm supposed to kiss your ass. But everybody is different. Because me, I think like a mother, and me have care for you and compassion for you. And me have everything that a mother should have for your child, for you. For you. You may call most of daughters, them pray me. Because I show you so much favoritism. I show you so much favoritism. And you take the money and you sell the cream and you don't give me $1, 1 cent, you don't give me not even 1 cent, you don't give me. I'm going to go back again, I'm going to say, people, daughters and people and haters and everybody in the fire, to me have my pride. I'm going to tell myself, I'm nah, bother nobody, man. I'm nah, call nobody, man, I'm bother nobody. I never sell pussy before I go to prison. I never sell pussy before I go to prison. And to me tell myself, I'm nah, scam again, I'm nah, thief again, because if I go back to scam, that means I never learn my blood clot lesson for the first time. And the girl knows I'm not scam. The girl knows I'm not scam. None of blood clot all. The girl knows I'm not scam. And the girl talk in front of police and tell the police them say, I be a scammer in the house. Then me could have like you after that. Whether a child or not child, me could have like you after that. And for back it up to make it even worse. You talk with the internet or you will come stab me up. That means they stand and make you stab me. Of course you can't stab me. And you sit out there and you come with the loudness, and you come with the excitement, and you come with the drama, and then I will go and go spin it like I just come around here normal, and I lock my door upon you. Not my door, the door, because it's not my door. You make it look like I'm coming, and you listen to people come wanting to tell me who are the ungrateful one, and who are the wicked one, and who are the evil one, and who are style up who, and who are pussy up who according to she. Me think said the problem and the argument done, but my friend, one time I look at me see what status and the post, come and unfollow her, because I tell myself, look here, Missy, do not stoop to her level. Mada, I own a mother call her in the house and tell her constantly, Mr. T, don't disrespect me see now. Don't disrespect me see now, Mr. T. Now disrespect me see now. But when I know when they expect it, because she disgrace her own a mother. They want to birth her. So I know why I think say she that spirit me. And she know some now talk back to her. Anything come out of my mouth become hurt. My hurt, I'm very disappointed because it never bothered me yesterday and today, early in the morning, until I see the status them. I'm at us lock up on me, and I say blood clot. I saw that girl that hit me. I say, oh you hit me when every time I give you right, I went wrong. I went wrong, I'm not deep down, I say you're wrong, I give you the right, I'm my last dollar. We have my last money and take it and give you. I now have your money and give me. I'm not asking for it. I'm not asking the feet. So stop going like you do nothing for me because you know do nothing for me. Of course, I'm glad I appreciate it. I could have come in your house. But at the end of the day, you've been in over and over in my house more than one time. So if I come in your house, it shouldn't even be a discussion. It shouldn't even be a discussion. It shouldn't even be a discussion. How dare you think say me upon the same level, me upon the same class. I now walk and drag my friends them. I now walk and drag my family them. I'm grateful to people because anybody when my daughters them give me things I appreciate it. I class nobody on Instagram to give me no. I class nobody on Instagram. I always appreciative. I'm honestly all my hours I big up my daughters them. I'm always I praise my daughters them. I that me know said people for do. If people look up girl, unforgivable, I not forgive you. So you can class me and talk everything what you want to talk now, come and not forgive you. I not forgive you because you make my heart lock up on me and shut up on me because I have a heart attack. I not forgive you. I not forgive you. You take it too far. And you overstep your fucking boundary. On the listen and see what style of I want to listen because I whole lot of things I have to talk. After I buy the bleaching cream, I help me and help her. Me I play mother role like me a blood clot idiot. Me I play good mother role because I come and I see you don't have $1. I want to go up on the internet and I talk. Girl, you don't have $1. You don't have $1, girl. I'm always can put on something say, which friend is gonna pick up an almost $700 bill for another friend where them know say all money, and know say you have money. Girl, me text you, me say me have the proof on my phone, guys. I'm text her, I say, girl, me just move, and I don't have the money, I can't afford. Me tell me what you do in your yard, I never have my own bills or whatever. I say, girl, be fair. I say, be fair. You need to help me pay for the coach and the things them when I take out for you. The girl I pay over $7,000 for the coach and things. One time the things them on the value 3,000 and change. And it's still not done pay for yet. As I catch a man, so I put on the money. My mother say I pay my partner them at week time now. I feel people partner them at week time and she not have no mercy and compassion for me. She left the whole of the blood clot bill for me and on top of that me and the house I feel put money towards light bill too. I feel put money towards light bill too. Sometimes when the internet bill come, she have up attitude because she wants the internet bill paid now. And when she get the money, she take the money and go man it out and take it and go do other things with it because she don't prioritize her bills them. Ask blinded people when I go there, the light bill are $1,600 and I never go there. I wasn't there. I never ever run it up to $1,600 and it's me and Blandy put $200 on the bill for the bill don't cut off. Girl, what you want from me? What you need from me? Because you tell me what you want to come class me and disrespect me. To me make Zah come sleep on here. Something else is the problem. This can't be Zah. I'm going to promise myself, so I'm not coming on here. I'm not cuss your girl. And the truth, me attack, me lay down in layman terms, and me I put it down so people know this side. When I'm done, because she want me to look at me ungrateful, and she said me pussy her up, and this time I have no rating for her. Look, girl, what do you mean? Are you not have no rating for blood clap me? I post up all these things about Andrew from 2015 or 13 or 14 and 12. When can you always want to compare yourself? Are you always around competition with the people that when I'm alive? Like say you did fucking get me to your battle wall. Two things that and look here, everybody have a boiling a breaking point. Everybody have a breaking point. A 1 year actually abuse me. A 1 year actually disrespect me. I'm never compare. I went and share disrespect and I must clown the blood clot clown me out. And when I tell the people them when I want me to do something and I tell the people about Mada have to do it. Mada have to do it. Mada have to do it. I'm here, I'm still do it. Come here, I try to please you. I try to take shame and disgrace out of your eye. But I'm all that long, you want me to stay stagnant, and you know me, that girl not gonna stay stagnant. You know I'm very likable. I'm likable for the better reasons. I'm not likable because of judgment and a create scene. Now nothing at all. Now nothing at all. I'm not cuss you. I'm not. And girl, you could have never talked to me under your lifetime. You could have never. People are up on the phone, and the phone are up on a social deal with you. I'm have to keep it hush. When the better body girl them talk, I'm know what through them a blood clot talk. Mother black talk when me black talk for. When I hear the better body them talk, I'm know what through them talk. My side with her same way. I don't care who want blood clot earth. I never put up no status. But nobody, I don't care who want. I don't care what about hurt. Hurt for what? Hurt for blood clot. What? Hurt for you put me exhaustive. But that tired of heart, tired. Some dog come and bring and cry. Some have to surface her. My have to surface her when Zah say, Grandma, I haven't eaten from morning. And Quincy put me out in the rain. Grandma, can I bring my documents? I'm in the rain. Can I bring my documents? I'm going to tell the little boy, I say, go suck your mother because you're pissing and you always put him out and always take him back in. So this I can't be but from able to 5, I know say it's not it. Rob what? What is Rob? $5? I never tell her, say, Zach, when you come here. I never tell her, say, Zach, when you come here, because at the end of the day, what I know I talk, but if you take me wrong, I tell Zach, say, wrong, and Zach wrong, and Zach no same blood clot wrong. But it still don't get no blood clot, no reason. So go up on the blood clot internet on live and disgrace the little boy like that and do the little boy like that, finger back in the people them house and all kind of things in front of the little boy girlfriend. So pussy the little boy because she want the girlfriend to say the little boy and nobody. She take the money and say I'm buy the cream and she buy the cream and mix the blood clot cream. I'm sit down at the house and take it and she never give me $1. I'm not going to ask her when she ever give me some money. I'm not going to ask her, say, your mother come out of jail, I didn't have all this money. You ever give mother 300 or 400 or 500 or not a mother anymore. You ever give mother your prerogative much things demand. And you talk about you broke the artery, you shut every blood clot thing. Remember you put out yourself. And you put yourself out of my life. And you do it. So at the end of the day, when I look back 2 weeks from now and see that you're gonna be all alone and see that you're not gonna have nobody in your corner and see that nobody still not gonna like you, remember say, are you do it. I know my friend them long time before you. But don't make it make sense. You know, listen, I make it make sense because at the end of the day, look here, remember say now, remember say she sent to CJ at Jamaica. I remember say me there in the house, I'm gonna come from prison. I'm gonna have no clothes for come out of prison with one suit of blood clot clothes for come out of prison. I'm never want to sell pussy. I never want to sell pussy because I never used to sell pussy. But I say I prefer sell the blood clot pussy and get my own versus figure teeth. And versus figure make them text step on me. And me always I give she never give me no money. She never give me no money. She always to come my eye. And she always to come and try blind me. I want to tell the lady, say, look here, I don't have the money, I'm going to have the money to pay for the coach and to pay my partner. She still want to take it from me because she don't want me, she don't want me she don't want me to pay for the business because she want me to be like her. She want me to be like her. And she want me to mash up my credit. And she want me to take out phone for blood clot, CJ. She want me to take out iPhone 12 for CJ, and CJ leave about 3 days after I take it out, and she left me at the blood clot debt. So me have to pay for the phone, and me have to pay the phone bill for CJ, and I never see CJ Wood yet. I never see CJ Wood yet. Talk about it. Talk about it. So I want to know how me wicked, and I want to know how me a pussy up, and you a pussy me up, because you should have never have to take out the phone, and even if you have to take out the phone, you're supposed to know that if you pay the blood clot bill. Bad to bad, Brandy the PR bill when she's in the house. Brandy the PR bill when she's in the house. You say you make me take out the couch them, and then you make me take out the couch, the center table, and what else will come to 3,000. And when the people them give me the 3,300, when the people them give me the 3,300 credit, so you take out the things them, you're determined. So you have to use up the whole of the 3,300. You want zero me out. You want zero me out. So how much more you think we could have take? I'm still sitting in that and blood clot take it. I'm still sitting in that and take it. And okay, I'm complaining to you as a girl, I don't have the money. I don't have the money. And you know, so the bill for pay every Friday. And you're looking at my blood clot face. And I have that phone here. Where the phone there? I have that phone here with my Lenar. I have that phone here with my Lenar. I have this phone here, I'm not going to use it on my Lenar. And she take the phone and put one over to the phone like a fair one. Because she connect the Instagram to it, and she connect, and she open one cash up on it. And after I text her, I said to her, I said, daughter, I said, I'm not to say no daughter, fuck daughter. I'm going to text her, I'm know the girl, you know me? I'm know the girl evil. After I text her, I said, girl, we get notice. I said, girl, I don't have no money to pay for the bill, for your bill. I don't have no money to pay your bill or nothing at time. I don't have a dollar. I don't have no money. I can't pay my partner. Madam, I don't have the money. Madam, I don't have the money. I broke like dog. But and then I look on the phone and I be a blood clot, cash up on Zelle. I see I come in and ping him on the phone. And I like say, me I go in our business, but me I either ping them or come on the phone. I'm going to sit with my pen. I'm going to add it up. $795 blood clot dollar. I'm going to tell them I don't have a dollar to pay for the blood clot. I tell them I have a dollar just 2 days ago. I tell them I have the money to pay for the coach. I just sit down the Thursday. I know say on Friday the coach for blood clot pay for. I never say madam. I'm saying the pussy wall. I'm saying the pussy wall. $200 put was it. You think me no know. So you have the blood clot money. You think me no say you get the blood clot money. I know you get the blood clot money. So who a pussy who up now? When I text you, I say I have the money for this. I'll text back and say 1K, okay. Then I tell me, say, shut the fuck up, bitch. You have to pay people because of your blood clot credit. And okay, all you hear me cry, I'm a ball. I'm going to go to Blandy, I'm going to complain. I go to Blandy, I'm going to complain. I'm going to say, daughter, look at the woman wicked to me, because the woman, let's be bill for me. And daughters, people at the time, them tell me someone never took out no for my credit. Them tell me someone never took out no for my credit, and she want to take out the shame, and she asked when she asked because and she, but remember saying now, on the thing she nice, Remember, say, Angel buy a whole part things put in the house. I not wrap up nothing because I whole play for talk. And because of the first and the last me attack, I'm not talk nothing more again. I'm done after I come out. I'm going to start play bingo. I'm done after this. I don't want nothing to do that. She can't post any status that she want to post. She can't drag me. She can't talk anything what she want to talk. I'm speaking my truth. And then, okay, look, I'm Sky. Now I speak my truth. I'm going to pick and decide who are the evil participants in this, and who hate who, and who never want, who see who succeed. I'm a pusher. When I come from them, I say, girl, you have the platform. Use the platform. Feel better yourself. And all you do get up every day at class, everybody. Then they expect to see a party there full. I'm still push out like our mother would have push out, but still push out. I have tried convince people to come at the party. Real man call my phone and say, me now come at the party. Come at the party, but I be a style, she style away. I'm a soul, I'm a spit. I'm going to leave you alone yesterday. I make a talk yesterday. I don't answer you. I make a talk this man. I don't answer. But she didn't even answer. You think me a fool. You think me a pussy. Remember I sit down for over a year. I make a pussy up and disrespect me as a big man. And to the love in my heart for you, I overlook it. Girl, anything me I talk, I have my receipt. Anything me I talk, I have my receipt. I swear upon God to take my life and kill me. I not tell no lie. When she about mother have to do it, mother have to blood clot do it, as I tell people. But now stoop to the level, I tell you, I give you the facts. I give you the facts, so when I hear she talk, when I can't listen and look, say she a clown. Because she is a clown, because she under a clown out herself. You're going to post me up, you make, I say you have venom in your heart. I say you have venom in your heart, that you're going to make 7 or 8 or 9 posts for your status all about me. And me, remember say me come from jail and I do all of these things for you. I will not put your live and attack. I will not put your live and attack and I go on like you're somebody, girl, everybody knows it's nobody. Like for real. Well, I'm my time for talk now. You take all this, I say me in a partner, me in a pinky partner, me in a pinky blood clot partner. You know, listen, come here, I tell you now, me not hold it no secret, me love, come here, say you disrespect me, and you style me up, and you do the things that I love, so I'm not supposed to blood clot protect you anymore. I'm now protect you, I'm now forgive you. I'm now forgive you. Father God, if I forgive, Father God, I know I'm supposed to forgive him, but I'm now forgive him. I now fight and break out with nobody. I show now, I break it down and show now the type of person she is. I don't know, I already know now. And I already know because the whole of we see it. The whole of we see it, because the whole of we see it play up on